How to change pickup location in Uber. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can basically change your pickup location on Uber, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to change the pickup location on Uber, it's actually very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Uber application here. Once you launch the Uber app, you're gonna see this type of interface. By default you can see enter pickup location, right? Because by default what happens is that if you have location services enabled, the app is going to determine your current location itself, and that is going to be the precise location. But if you want to enter a manual location, maybe because you're booking for someone else, you can tap on enter pickup location, and now you can simply go ahead and enter the location that you would like to add over here. Once you enter a pickup location, you can simply enter a destination, and once you've done that, you should be able to go ahead and then change your pickup location on Uber. That's all it takes to change your pickup location on Uber. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.